If you want to track organic traffic changes with SEO dashboards and get a clear view of your site's performance, this quick 3-minute guide will show you exactly how to do it. I've tested the most popular tools out there, so stick with me until the end, where I'll also share an exclusive free trial for my top recommended dashboard tool, available only to viewers of this channel. First things first, understanding organic traffic changes is crucial for your site's growth. SEO dashboards give you a snapshot of how well your site is performing over time. They allow you to track metrics like impressions, clicks, click-through rates, and keyword rankings all in one place. Start by logging into your SEO dashboard tool. Tools like Google Analytics, SEMrush, Ahrefs, and Moz are all popular choices. Once you're in, you want to focus on the organic traffic or acquisition section. Here's where you'll find the metrics that matter. The first thing you should be tracking is your organic traffic trend over time. Are you seeing a steady increase? Or maybe a sudden drop? Both could signal something important about your content, SEO efforts, or technical issues with your site. To really dig in, compare traffic on a weekly or monthly basis. This will give you a clear picture of whether your changes in SEO tactics are paying off or if you need to adjust. Next, dive into your top performing pages. SEO dashboards allow you to filter by pages that bring in the most organic traffic. You want to focus on which pages are ranking highest and which keywords they're targeting. If you notice specific pages dropping in traffic, that could be a sign of algorithm changes or increased competition, so act fast. Now, one of the most important features in SEO dashboards is keyword tracking. You should set up a keyword tracker to monitor the keywords you care about most. This way you can see how well your target keywords are ranking. If a keyword drops in rank, it might mean it's time to update the content or adjust your strategy. Regularly checking your keyword position helps ensure that your SEO strategy is aligned with what search engines are looking for. Also, pay attention to the click-through rate or CTR for your pages. If your organic traffic is growing but your CTR isn't, that could indicate that your meta descriptions or titles aren't as compelling as they could be. Use your SEO dashboard's insights to test different versions of your meta tags and improve your CTR. Here's where it gets really interesting. Traffic changes often correlate with Google algorithm updates. If you're noticing sudden traffic spikes or drops, check to see if Google has rolled out any updates. Many SEO tools have built-in features to show algorithm update timelines, and this can help you pinpoint whether the change in traffic is due to an update or if it's a result of your own content efforts. Finally, remember that organic traffic isn't just about numbers, it's about quality. If your traffic is increasing but you're not converting, your SEO dashboard should also help you track user behavior. Look at bounce rates, session duration, and other engagement metrics. This will give you a full picture of how your audience is interacting with your site. Key takeaway: tracking organic traffic with an SEO dashboard is a vital part of understanding your website's performance. Focus on monitoring overall traffic trends, keyword rankings, top performing pages, and CTR. Regular checks and comparisons will help you stay ahead of your competition. And don't forget, I recommend you take advantage of the exclusive free trial of the tool I've mentioned in the description below. It's available only to viewers of this channel, so click the link, try it out, and track your traffic changes more effectively. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.